Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to select cells and worksheets in Excel. So if you're interested, let's get right into it. So there are many reasons for selecting cells in Excel, which I'll treat in subsequent videos. So when you place your cursor where the letters are, you can see it has changed to an arrow. When you click on it, all the cells in that column are selected automatically. Place it where the letters are written on the top. It changes to an arrow. Then if you click, all the cells in that column are selected. The same when you place it where the numbers are and click, it also changes to an arrow. Then when you click, all the cells in that row are selected. So that is one way to select cells in Excel. The second way to select cells is you click, hold, and drag. So when you click, you hold and drag, then all the cells will be selected until you release the hold. You can see. Click, hold, and drag. That is the second way to select cells in Excel. So going down to the bottom left-hand corner, you can see the sheets are displayed. So in this workbook, we have 3 sheets, 1, 2, 3. And at the end, you can see insert worksheet. So we're on sheet 1. If you click on sheet 2, it opens, sheet 3 opens. Then if you click on insert worksheet, a new worksheet, sheet 4, is automatically added. So let's go back to sheet 1. So that is how to select worksheets within a workbook. And not only by clicking, you can also manually type in the cell address that you want. This is where you type it in. You can see it says name box. It says name box. So this is where you type in the name of a cell to select it. You can see B7, column B, row 7, column B, row 7. So the name of the cell always begins with the letter, then followed by the number. So this selected cell is B7. And it appears in the name box. So you can go to the name box and actually type in the name of a cell you want to select or a range of cells you want to select. So now you can see we're at C5. And now we're at K11. Column K, row 11. So right now, let's see if we can type in a cell address. Actually, it's capital letters. So we're typing in cell A9. Press enter. You can see cell A9 is now selected. Cell A9 is now selected. So we'll go ahead and type in a range of cells to select. Instead of clicking and holding, we want to type it in manually. And when typing in a range of cells, when you type in the first cell, you put a colon, not semicolon, a colon, to separate the beginning and the end. So you can see A1 colon H5. So you can see the range of cells A1 to H5 have been selected. So that is the way to manually select cells in Excel. So let's type in another range. Let's say A1 to now let's say K20. Then press enter. You can see all the cells from A1 through to K20 have been selected. So this is an easy way to select cells manually in Excel. So I hope you guys have learned something new from this video. And if you have any apps, video idea that you want me to teach you how to use, any app that you want to learn about, you can write it in the comments section. I'll be sure to make a video about it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my video to help my channel grow. Thank you very much for your time. Stay blessed. Bye.